Oh! Yeah!
Hello, my name is Maya.
My name is Manu. My name is Naomi.
My name is Diego, and we are going to expose our project 2 of English. And we are the funny four.
And today we are going to share some moments we were like we hope our stories make you laugh or almost feel about your own embarrassing moments.
So let's begin. Okay, so my story starts in the kitchen, which was already a bad idea. I decided to surprise my family with homemade spaghetti. I watched a YouTube video and thought, easy, I can do this. Well, no. I left the pasta boiling while watching TikTok, and when I came back, it took like mashed potatoes. Then I realized I had no tomato sauce, so I used ketchup and mayonnaise. My mom tried it and said, "Are you sure this isn't bad food?" Even the dog walked away. Moral of the story, I'm officially banned from cooking forever.
This happened last semester. I texted with my best friend during class, complaining about calling the lecture. What I wrote is teacher side. Focus on more than I am going to sleep forever. With who sent it, the teacher, I panicked wanted to my phone out the window. A few seconds later, the teacher looked at me, said, "How I hope every thought including me, but this slide I was like an I sleep this screen now." So I decided to start going to the gym. You know, I need your new me. I think it's really heavy weight, and so I can do that too. These mistakes. I picture of the barbell with my arms start shaking immediately. I didn't want anyone to notice, so I smiled like, yeah, this is easy. Stupidly boom. I dropped it. Everyone turning and start. I tried to play it cool, like that was part of my routine. The gravity test. They tried to say maybe start with, and that's the last time I ever went to that team.
My story happened at the airport. I was super tired after a long trip. The lady at the check-in counter asked me, "Do you have any bags?" And without thinking, I said just emotional bags. She didn't laugh. She just looked at me, and I mixed language. I nervously, and I said, "Oh yes, I have that too." Then at the security, they stopped me because I forgot a sandwich in my backpack. The officer pulled it out and said, "Is this yours?" And I just said, "Yes," and I was going to eat on the plate. Everyone laughed, and now I know that the sandwich is small.
And this is our project. Thank you for watching.
Bueno, y como dijo mi ex, hasta aquí llegamos. Goodbye.